All right, thanks, Brett. Turning now to COVID-19, there's no doubt the impact our healthcare workers have taken during the pandemic, and that includes a greater reliance on traveling nurses to make sure our local hospitals have enough staff. CBS 19's Ashley French spoke to one traveling nurse based here in East Texas to talk about what she's faced over the past year. Good evening, Ashley.
Good evening, Aaron. Dr. Rhonda Tricia Moore has been in the medical field for more than 3 decades. Throughout her industry experience, she said that she's expected a pandemic, but never something this grave.
I did anticipate some type of pandemic, but I did not anticipate seeing the amount of death and despair that I am seeing on the front line right now.
Meet Dr. Rhonda Tricia Moore, who's been on the front lines throughout the pandemic.
I decided to go into direct patient care in March of 2020, and I served New York. And never in my life have I ever seen anything such as that. And that was very heart-wrenching. Families, entire generations wiped away by this pandemic.
Now a transitional nurse executive, she's helped serve in 3 COVID surges in 3 different states.
One in New York, one in Orlando, Florida, and another in Texas. Just have never seen anything like this. And it's all so it was incredibly, and it remains very much incredibly preventable. And it's heart-wrenching.
As accessible the vaccine may be, millions of people still distrust it. Dr. Moore believes that's due to the politics of the pandemic.
The difference between this pandemic as opposed to other endemics is that it's highly politicized. And as long as there are people who continue to politicize other people's lives, it's going to get worse.
Now, as the deadlines for healthcare workers to be fully vaccinated approaches in East Texas, some will still refuse it.
My thought is, what are you thinking? And my question is, why? Why not? Why haven't you gotten vaccinated? You being at the front line, you taking care of patients, putting those patients at risk, and those patients did not ask for this. They have not asked for this.
Dr. Moore will also help to assist in informational as well as a vaccine clinic here in Tyler. When we know those dates, we'll be sure to pass them on. Aaron?